Here is an example of an environment that I created for the certification network group in a presentation in micro-learning apps. The nice thing about it is that when you enter this environment, which is a museum type environment, you can look around, you can approach anything that you want, you can peruse whatever you would like to see. As you walk through the museum and you approach something, all different kinds of things can happen. You can play a video, you can work on another micro-learning app. As you continue through this environment, anything that you walk up to and you look at and you show an interest in, you then can click on it and enter into that environment. You get this whole environment of self-directed learning, which is really important. So let's proceed down this hallway and take a look at some of the other things that we can do and create and put into this environment. Anything and you can walk up to it, learn about it, click on it, see what's important to you, take the information away. Let's go on and we're going to look at what's down the hallway at the far end. As we continue down the museum, other things are available. Obviously, we have the ability to look at 3D models that we've created. This is very important because we can add what we call Sketchfab models to our environment. There is a micro learning app that I've created in Articulate Rise. As we proceed, we can go in and put in all different kinds of environments that we want to see. And walk up, click on things that are important, and see what additional research is being done in particular areas. People can pick the examples that they want to investigate in depth. And so that's the environment that we've created here. It's really a wonderful tool to be able to have access to. And one of the great things about this workshop is that you will get this tool and we will teach you how to customize it using your own data, and you will then be able to use this as a royalty-free item to create all your curriculum for yourself. Thank you.